It was a bright Saturday morning in a cozy European home. Mum was carrying a basket of clean clothes, Dad was preparing breakfast, and little Kelly was playing with his toys. Chloe sat on the sofa, drawing a colorful picture of her family.
What a lovely morning! I love Saturdays because everyone is home together.
It certainly is, Chloe, but today we have many things to do to keep the house nice and tidy.
And teamwork will make everything easier.
I am building a super fast racing track. Be careful, Kelly. Your cars are going everywhere.
That's the spirit, kids.
Chloe looked up from her drawing and noticed something important. Mum was carrying a basket and bending down again and again to pick up scattered clothes. Even though Mum smiled, Chloe could see she was getting tired.
Mum looks very busy today.
It's okay, sweetheart. I am just finishing a few chores.
But she is doing so much all by herself. Maybe I should help her, but what can I do safely?
Chloe walked into her bedroom and stopped. Her bed was messy, with her blanket twisted and her sideways. She took a deep breath. I think I can start by helping myself first. If I make my bed, Mum will have one less thing to worry about. Teddy, you need a proper place too.
Kelly, let's clean up together before someone trips. Okay, I'll race you. You're on. I'm winning. No way. I got the bear. Good job. We can clean up and still have fun. Let's make it a game. But I am still playing. A game? Okay, I will win. Let's see who can pick up the most toys. You're on. We'll see.
Mum smiled when she saw Chloe helping more and more. She placed the laundry basket on the floor. Chloe, would you like to help me sort the clothes?
Yes, Mum. Please show me how.
White clothes go here, and colored clothes go there.
I will be very careful and do it properly. See? I'm doing it right.
Dad was preparing lunch in the kitchen. Chloe walked in slowly and remembered to be careful.
Dad, I want to help, but I will only do safe jobs.
That is very responsible, Chloe. What would you like to do?
I can help with the cloths. Can I help set the table?
Yes, that is perfect. Let's put them right here.
Okay.
Chloe carefully set the table for the whole family. 1 cup for Mum, 1 for Dad, 1 for Kelly, and 1 for me.
I want 2 cups. You only need 1, silly Kelly.
After lunch, Chloe noticed the flowers outside.
Dad, may I water the flowers carefully?
Yes, but take the small watering can.
I will give each flower a little drink.
Kelly became upset when he lost his favorite book.
My book is gone. I cannot find it anywhere.
Don't worry, Kelly. We will find it together.
Really? You will help me?
Of course. That is what family does.
Here it is. Thank you.
Chloe, did you do all of this?
I just wanted to help you, Mum.
You have made my day so much easier.
The whole family gathered together happily. Helping at home is a wonderful way to show love.
I help too. Yes, we are a team.
Chloe learned that even small helpful actions can make a big difference.
I may be small, but I can do big things with my helpful hands.
Small helpful actions make a big difference. Helping at home is a way to show love, care, and responsibility.
Even small actions matter. Helpful hands make happy homes.
That's right, sweetie. We're so proud of you. As the evening sun filled the house with a warm golden glow, Chloe looked around at Everys. The toys were safely stored. Laundry was sorted, the table was beautifully arranged, and the flowers in the garden stood bright and refreshed. Chloe, your helpful hands did more than tidy the house. They filled our home with love.
You have shown us that being helpful is not about how big or strong you are, and kind to help.
My hands can help too.
I may be small, but my kindness can make a big difference. When we help one another, every job becomes easier and every home becomes happier.
From that day forward, Chloe continued to look for safe and thoughtful ways to help.
I made my bed. Wow, thanks, Chloe.
I put the toys away. I set the table.
She helped because she loved her family.
She did not help because she wanted a reward. She helped because she loved her family. And each time Chloe used her hands to serve, share, and care, the love inside their home grew stronger.
You do not need big hands to make a big difference. A kind heart, a willing spirit, and 2 helpful hands are enough to bring joy to the people around you.
Together, we make a happy home.
Helpful hands show love. Kind hearts make a difference. Helpful hands make happy homes.